problem I have in my garage is this pile of sheet goods. Got some OSB, some slat wall, some regular plywood, and trouble is it's hard to get sheets in and out of here. It's just a pain and takes up a bunch of wall space. I want this out of this corner, but where am I going to put it? My shop is full of tools and benches. There's just really no room in there. It's only 200 something square feet anyways. That's what, 12 by 20, and you put this in there, there'd just be no room at all. So my plan is I'm going to make a pod that mounts on the side of the shop, and then I'll be able to store these in there. So this is what I'm going to make. So there's going to be a few more of these. This is going to get screwed to the side of my shop, and then should be able to fit in my plywood in here. And I'll have a little extra space above here for boards, but I probably won't use that a whole lot. And then I can put a roof on it. And here I made the roof extra sturdy and it's all connected, so really most of the strength of this comes from this roof structure. So I'm going to make a few more of these and then go screw them to the side of my building. One of these screwed together. Oh yeah. Here's my wood storage pod. Got all the frames made. I've got them screwed in. I had to find the studs and screw them in with big 4.5 inch headlock screws. So each one of these I can hang on and it doesn't budge. So I'm going to nail on some stringers for vertical siding so it matches the rest of my shop. Then I can get the roof, and then I'll need to shiplap some boards for the siding. Plywood storage pod is done enough to store plywood in. I got my shiplap boards on and my roof on today. My roof boards, it's not trimmed out. I'm going to try to make it look a little bit neater than just the rough sawn stuff. These shiplap boards we actually took off my dad's house, so they're reused, reclaimed, all that good stuff. So that's why they're staying brown. So I'm going to stuff the pieces of plywood in here and see how they work, how it works. So. So I'm saving this sheet kind of just for sentimental value. This is the horrendous green wood paneling that was in the house before I bought it. So. So there it is, all my plywood stored inside. Got a bunch of pieces of OSB which are actually going to go back on the wall in the garage where I had them before, but like as the wall, not as just leaning up against there, taking up space. So yeah, I've got a great access. If I want a single sheet, I can pick whichever sheet I want, pull it out. So yeah, so far I'm really pleased with the idea. So yeah, hopefully this helps somebody else out. You know, there's just no way I'd be able to store these inside my shop. There just isn't room. Well, I'd have to rearrange things a lot, and it takes up so much wall. It would take up so much wall space. Yeah. Anyways, I think this is a great solution. So here's the corner where the plywood used to be. There's still some little scrappy stuff I need to move and an old door, but this is all more manageable now. So I'm going to run up some electrical outlets around here and then probably build a workbench in this corner and some upper shelving so I have more storage space and don't take up much floor space with stuff. So keeping things up high will be good.